A Python module is a file containing reusable functions, variables, and classes.
Modules save time by reusing code instead of writing it again. Use the import keyword to access a Python module. The random module generates random numbers for games and simulations. Import only the function or value you need using from and import. You can also create your own module and use it in other Python programs. Modules make Python programs shorter, organized, and easier to maintain.